Okay, now welcome to this unboxing of 15-inch MacBook Pro 2.8 GHz, 4 gigs of RAM, DDR3, 500 gigs of hard drive, and 2 sets of GeForce graphics card. This is the outer casing of the MacBook Pro. See there? You will see. There you go. The MacBook Pro. How is that? Very nice. This is the latest in MacBook Pro 2.8 GHz 2.4.
It's a wrong one, Father.
This what is that? How is that? Apple. Let the people see.
Can I have this present, please, on my birthday?
On your birthday? Yes, it's yours on your birthday, crew. Of course it's yours. Now we'll open it slowly for people to see. Now, let's see. How do we open this? We'll make sure that when we unseal this MacBook Pro, when this is wow. Now, look, first, let's see.
It's
This is
mine.
the manual.
It's mine, Father. It's mine.
The manual.
Papa, is it mine?
Yeah? It's yours, bro. Here you can see the.
No man.
You can see the manual
Yay!
and the installation CD that goes. What can you say of this brand new MacBook Pro 2.8
Just keep your
GHz?
Oh, come on.
On this side you can see all the connections, the power supply, the USB port. Oh, it has a brand new SD slot as well. There's an SD card slot.
Oh, it
The headphone
is.
jack, the mic jack. What is this? The firewire and everything. On the other side you can see the CD drive. And the MacBook Pro is well covered with this plastic. We're going to remove it in a minute. Put it on the side. Look at the casing. You can even use this casing for transporting the Mac. The MacBook
It's
Pro in detail.
mine.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay, sit back a little bit closer.
I'm not. Start moving.
Now let's
I
see.
don't have to install it. I don't have to install it.
Very nice. What can you say? There's nothing more to say. Now we'll tilt the camera just a little bit more. And open the mouth.
Is it mine still, Papa?
Back off this a little bit.
Is it still mine?
Wow, look at that.
Yes or no? Wow.
The keyboard is very nice. The speakers on the
I'm
sides.
going to cry.
And the key. The mouse pad is like this now. And there's nothing there.
Oh, Father! Father!
There you go!
No!
We're starting now. Make sure to hold. Wait a minute. I think we have to the time machine backup from my external portable hard drive. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue with this video presentation. So I'm connecting now the time machine backup from my old MacBook Pro, the 2.4 GHz. Now this USB port will take us there to power supply because I don't want to lose
I left the kitchen.
power to my laptop. So it's powering up now from the external source.
Good job, my laptop.
Time machine! One time machine backup available. For the moment, it's still calculating or waiting for it to finish. Now, Kruho, tell me why you like the MacBook better than Windows.
The MacBook is pretty easy for me. I think about using this laptop, the MacBook laptop, and I really wanted to change my old one to this laptop. So that's why I like it. I got new movies and stuff like that. So I'm moving my pictures all in this MacBook.
Give me a particular reason why you like MacBook Pro better than Windows. Can you tell me?
It's very easy
Easy to what?
to use.
How about Windows? Is it not easy to use?
No.